Welcome to Secure Mail. In this video, you'll learn how to connect virtually with patients and other providers to maintain continuity of care throughout social isolation. First, log in at health.brightsquid.com with your username and password. Secure Mail looks and feels like traditional email, so new users figure it out right away. You can start communicating with concerned patients for COVID-19 screening or immediately addressing ongoing concerns with patients isolated at home. To send a message, click the green Compose button. Address messages by entering the email address or addresses here. If the address is already in our system, it will appear automatically. If not, click the Invite button to send them their first message. We'll set up an account for them in the background. Now compose your message with instructions for your patient and click the Browse button here to find any files you might need to attach to support patients isolated at home. You can also drag and drop files from an Explorer or Finder window. Once your message is complete, click Send, and an email will be sent to the recipient's email address with a link to log into their Brightsquid account and view your message. As a first-time user, all the recipient needs to do is follow the link in the notification email and complete the one-time registration process to establish their free account. Once that's complete, they'll be taken to their account where they can view your message and attachments. Secure Mail is a two-way communication channel, so patients can respond to the original sender, saving phone calls and eliminating the need for scheduling unnecessary follow-up appointments.